Is there a specific way to paint nose cones? That's what I'm going to cover in this video.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry, building techniques, and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Hi, I'm Tim Van Milligan from Apogee Components. Today I'm going to talk about painting nose cones. Now this comes from a customer of ours that walked into our shop and was looking at all the rockets and asked, oh, how do you paint the nose cones? Particularly, what if the nose cone is a different color than the body tube? Or in the case of this rocket right here, we don't even want to paint the body tube, but we want the nose cone to be a different color. Typically, what you'll do is you paint the nose cone and the body tube all one color. But when you don't want them the same color, you have to paint the nose cone separately. And ideally, what you want to do is to do something like this, where you can just drop the nose cone in another tube that's the same diameter. So we here at Apogee, we don't recommend throwing out all the tubes. Save some so that you have some tubes available for painting nose cone. Now, if you don't have a tube that fits your nose cone, you can take a tube like this and say, like, this one's too big. One of the first tricks that I learned is you can take a knife and just slit it down the side, and it doesn't even have to be a straight cut like this. And you can tape it onto the nose cone like this. Just take a piece of tape, just kind of roll it in place. Just try to line it up as best you can. And then just put a piece of tape over it, and that's going to hold it. And now you have an instant tube that you can paint the nose cone. And that's the way I usually do it, is I'll hold it here, paint here. When you do this, when you paint a nose cone, always wear a glove on your hand that's going to be holding this, because occasionally you do get paint on your hand. So you'll just take your paint. I have a paint here. I'm not going to do it indoors, but you just go across the nose cone like this, keeping it in a straight line. Don't go like this in one little spot. Just go across like this. And we do have videos on painting rockets, and it shows you that technique. If you don't have a tube to cut, the next best thing is to make your own tube. So you might have a piece of heavy, this came from junk mail, and it's stiff enough where I can roll it and basically do the same thing. Just roll it around like that, take a piece of tape, and then tape it in place, and that gives you something to hold. You might also want to take a piece of tape and put it around the perimeter here for doing that same thing. The ones that are the hardest to paint are the big long ones like this. And in this case, again, I have a little bit thicker paper, and we'll do the same trick. We're just going to, take it, wrap it around the shoulder, pull it as tight as you can. Now, in this case, I really can't hold it down here because it's going to want to crush my tube. So in this case, I'll do the paint in two different spots. First, I'm going to paint down here. So I'll grab it by the tip of the nose cone, paint it down here, and then flip it around, grab it here, and then paint the tip. Big nose cones, they are kind of heavy, so it's a little bit harder to hold them. You might need to use two hands. Set the paint down, rotate it around, and then spray it again. So that is my technique on spray painting nose cones, particularly when you don't have a tube that you can put it into. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to our free newsletter. When you subscribe, you'll get 50 free plans that you can build. Gives you a lot of great ideas for also designing your own rockets. Plus, when you subscribe, we have free offers and special offers only for newsletter subscribers. So come to our website at apogeerockets.com. There'll be a pop-up there where you can subscribe to our newsletter. My name again is Tim Van Milligan. This has been the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.